Greetings to all beloved nurses. It's Rachna Pandya here, a licensed clinical instructor from Registered Nurse Academy, Vadodara, Gujarat. So this is our first introductory video to orient you all about NCLEX and OSCE examinations and how we conduct trainings at our Registered Nurse Academy, Vadodara, Gujarat, India. So let us start with the NCLEX examination first. The National Council Licensure Examination, it is the computer adaptive test for the internationally educated nurses, those who want to work as RN to the countries like USA, Canada and Australia. The NCSBN owns, develops and implement the NCLEX RN examination through the Pearson VUE test centers around the world. So NCLEX RN exam is not just about the memorizing information for the candidate, but it is really gonna test your capacity for having the critical application and evidence-based approach. NCLEX RN exam is the computer adaptive test and which is coming with the varieties of the multiple choice questions. They are like drag and drop, then drag to the right order, then select all that applied set questions. The image or the visuals can be displayed through which you can be having the MCQ. After the completion of the NCLEX examination, the candidate will be granted the eligibility for appearing for the OSCE examination, that is the Objective Structured Clinical Examination for the countries like Canada, Australia and United Kingdom. So OSCE is just the test which is really testing your physical ability for the skill enhancement, how you are going to perform, and it is purely with the simulation based approach. So here in Registered Nurse Academy, basically we are coming with the new module, that is combination of the NCLEX plus OSCE preparations. So we will be starting with the theory portions, that is basically for NCLEX examination, and later on the OSCE practical head to toe, the nursing international procedures preparations will be there. We are having weekdays batches, that is Monday to Friday, then weekend batches as well, Saturday and Sunday. We are offering online and offline both the modes, and the eligibility for this course to undergo, they can be the GNM nurses, then the post basic, then BSc nurses or any MSc specialized nurse. So if you really want to work as a RN into overseas and you want to make your dreams come true, then join the Registered Nurse Academy, where we are going to prepare you for your life. And we will direct you that without having the much more implementation of your time and the efforts to the IELTS or OET, you must need to encourage yourself in the preparation of the examination, which is the council exam, that is NCLEX. Because IELTS and OET, they will be coming with the validity and will require much more plenty of your efforts. So in a nutshell, for you, the utmost priority is your NCLEX examination. Then shortly we will be running our RN counseling cell, where we are going to revert your questions and curiosities. So we will be connected there as well. So just I want to tell you something, that there is a huge demand of nurses in the overseas, especially in the West. So if you are really desperate and want to go to work as RN, then you must undergo the NCLEX coachings. Many nurses pass the NCLEX examination at their very first trial, but you need to commit your 3 to 6 months for your intensive coachings and self-readings. So this is all about the coaching patterns and our facilities. I'll be leading you to our academy tour as well. So be here. So here it's our OSCE Skills Station, where we are having all the international licensure nursing procedures from head to foot. So here we are gonna spring your confidence in the clinical care excellence. This is our NTX Anand lecture meet where we are conducting physical sessions of our classes. So here we are having different teaching methodologies are used, like we are using PPTs, then group discussions, role plays, clinical case presentations, different videos, demonstrations and all. So here basically we will be augmenting your theoretical knowledge. This is our immigration and counseling cell where we are going to give you an insight about work permit visa to the countries such as USA, Canada, Australia, UK, then New Zealand and Ireland. So this is our reading bay where any passionate candidate want to continue their studies after our physical sessions, they can just sit here and do their personal. This is our waiting lounge. If you are having any queries or curiosities regarding NCLEX RN examinations or future immigration work permit services, then you can visit with your parents.